Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time, my name is Sonia. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in the UK. I film about faith, personal shopping, sewing tutorial, and everything beautiful. Okay, I'm so excited because it's the beginning of a new week. It's Monday, and it's actually my photo shoot day. Yes, I have been wanting to do my background story. I've been working on my ready to wear collection for the past 2 months, and we're finally having the photo shoot today. They're all ready, and I will be having the photo shoot today. I'm so excited about this because this has been something I have always wanted to do in a long time. This is actually not my first ready to wear collection. Back then in Nigeria, I had a couple of ready to wear collection, but this is my very first one since I moved to the UK. So I'm so excited about it. This should be out very soon, so you can purchase it, you can buy it if you want to. These designs are really lovely. I'm looking forward to this amazing photo shoot today, and I'm looking forward to sharing these beautiful designs with all of you. So stick with me on this one, and hopefully I take you along. I'm not so sure how it's gonna go. If I can do behind the scene, I'll definitely do it, but if not, I will definitely show you the shots or the videos or the pictures afterwards. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye. So guys, I'm back home. It went so well. I wasn't able to do all of the outfits or all of the clothes. I was able to do a couple of them, which I think was good enough for today because it was already time to pick up my kids, so I had to, stop and then go pick them up. But I'm excited I'm home now. I'm excited with what I've got or what I did so far. They came out really nice, and I'm back home. I just want to sort out the clothes. It's all messy here behind me. I just want to put them back on the rack, and then yeah, that's basically it. Okay. like to purchase any of these beautiful outfits, they will be available on my website, which is at www.soniaanthony.com. Also, you can send us a DM on our Instagram handle, which is Sonia Anthony UK. Sonia Anthony UK. Thank you so much. I'm sure you will enjoy these pieces. They were made from my heart. They were actually made from my heart, and I'm so excited about it. They are lovely. They are really, really gorgeous. So go purchase one. Go get something for a friend, get for yourself, get for your mom, get for your sisters. They are very comfortable outfits that you would wear any day, anytime. Okay? Hi, it's Tuesday. I just dropped the kids at school. I got a couple of things from TikTok and I want to unbox them with you. And I also have some orders to pack for a client. Someone ordered some snack from Tesco's. So I'm just going to package them in a box and get them ready for shipping. Okay? Let's do this together. Guys, this is a video with the light in front of my face or on my camera or my phone. Let me know what you think. Is there a difference? I'm going to take it off and do another video, same place, same position. Let me know if there's any difference. Okay, so let's take this off. Put this off now. Yeah, this is the natural light. Let me know if there's a difference and if it's worth buying. Anyway, guys, let me go sort out these things. Okay.